Who's it from?
Paige.
Okay. What is it?
Did you pull these parts?
Yeah, you can pull those parts. What are those?
What is this?
What is that? Let me see what's in your hand. Let's see.
It's a card from Paige.
Riley, it's a movie ticket. It's a movie ticket. We can go to the movies.
Can I?
Would you like to do that?
Can we go now?
Well, no, we can't go right now, but we'll go later. See what else you have over there. We'll go another day. That's so nice. Okay, here. You open up what is left there. What's this stuff? Right here.
What is this?
That's to put your popcorn in. What's this stuff, Riley?
Oh, this bandit is part of it. This bandit was holding it.
Yeah.
That's strapped.
Tell me what you got there. What are those called?
I don't like space trees.
Yes, you do. Those are Whoppers. What are these?
Can I eat this for lunch?
What are those?
Babbers.
Starburst. And what's this? Do you know what those in the red box are?
Starburst.
Yeah, those are Starburst. What's this red one right here?
What is this?
Skittles.
Skittles.
That was such a sweet idea, Paige. Can you tell her thank you?
Thank you, Paige.
Can you blow her a kiss?
Huggy.